best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the Humidifier's Ultrasonic Cool Mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with its auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, fresh-smelling aromas. Get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.
We could all use a hand when we're not feeling well. With its convenient top-fill design and 2-in-1 functionality, the Dual 100 is here to help relieve unpleasant cold and allergy symptoms. The top-fill water tank is always easy to fill, even when you're under the weather. The ultra-fine mist humidifies the air without fogging the room or dampening furniture. The Dual 100 doubles as a diffuser, infusing the air with soothing fragrances. Add your favorite essential oils to the base of the humidifier when you want to relax. Intelligent Sleep Mode turns off the display lights and automatically regulates humidity, letting you get some rest, while the Dual 100 works quietly. And if the humidifier runs out of water while you're asleep, it will automatically shut off. Thoughtfully constructed, the humidifier is safe for kids and adults alike. No matter where you put it, the Dual 100 will make a difference, creating a healthy atmosphere for you and your loved ones.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.